Yeah. Let's go. Nice little gift shop here. There's a gift shop.
Thank you. Yeah, I noticed when I called them, I think they take online.
Thank you. I just put on my coat and now I gotta take it off again. Sorry if I hit you. Don't mean to. See what I want for drink first. Find the beverages. Mountain Dew sounds good right about now because I didn't get none. People say I go too fast. We're doing.
Hi, how are we?
We're doing good.
Good. What can I get you to drink?
Can I have a Mountain Dew?
Oh, it's been a while since I've seen you.
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
know.
gosh. Hi.
Every time we try to come in, it's always packed.
Well, they're busy.
Yeah. It's been really slow this morning, but I'm assuming that it's the calm before.
You mean the
storm.
afternoon? It's morning already passed. So.
Right, like from 11 to whatever time it is now.
It's about 3.
Yeah, 3 o'clock. It's been... What did you say to drink? Sorry.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Real beer, no ice. Suppose she recognized us.
I know, right?
I think the last time was here, we had her.
I think so. It's been a
Yeah,
long
Sketty.
while since we had it. I don't think they have the Sketty here
Yes,
anymore.
they do.
Oh, do they?
Yep.
Is that what you're getting?
Mm-hmm.
Honey, they got stuffed peppers here too.
You do?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
Right there, home style. Under home style.
No, I'm going to get that.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll be right back to take your order.
Okay, thank you.
Surprised you remembered us.
Here's your desserts. I'm thinking about getting the meatloaf. I want to try the meatloaf this time. Something different. I'm getting. No, I just seen it. There it is.
boxes? 2 boxes? Or 3? Any dessert?
Meatloaf is it's more expensive though.
Because you gotta beat the loaf.
Your alcohol.
Just told Dayton, what the heck is wrong? Well, touch on it. Look at the mesh you're on. Is the lid on over there? That's all.
Oh, that's cool.
That was down in Henderson, Kentucky.
Was it?
Yep.
Awesome.
Good painted. That trouble won't last that long, that like that. Someone's gonna tear it up.
Alright, we all set?
Yeah.
Whoever wants to go first.
I'm getting the meatloaf dinner.
You want the mashed potatoes with it? Okay, you get one more side.
Do you have a salad?
No.
I want a salad. What kind of dressing do you have? It's been a while since.
They're on the other side. Right there.
Give me the ranch.
Stuffed pepper.
Dinner
Yep.
on one side.
Salad, no croutons, no tomatoes, no cucumbers. With lots of ranch.
You said no croutons and no
Tomatoes.
tomato mix. Alright, I'll be back.
Thank you.
Good, how are you?
We're right by the cheese factory too. Minerva Cheese Factory.
Minerva Dairy.
Oh, Minerva Dairy. Yeah.
Dairy's behind us.
And then right beside, across the street is John's Cafe with the drive-thru in it. That's Yeah, it went down big time. It's not like the classic 57 at all anymore. We'll have to find a new place for close. I was hoping you would go to the Hart Mansion just to try it, you know. Hey, honey, can I sit by you for a minute? Just for... That's better. Now this place has got a gift shop. This place has got a spa next to it. I mean, all you have to do is come in those doors. The place that we just came in. I want to go check the pies out. Wow, look at this pies. spa place, and there's your gift shop in here. It's got some neat stuff in this gift shop, and it's just in one building right in here. I need a massage. I need a massage big time.
I would say we would see that with just state G into it.
If you're in the Minerva area, you need to come to Grinders Beyond. And if you do have a Grinders and Beyond in your area, you should go there too. Or try this one. So you guys take care, and I'm going to eat my dinner. So you guys take care and have a wonderful day. Later.